Hello, I am Luke Pagel, Inside Sales Specialist here at Rexnord. I will be teaching you Rexnord.com e-commerce registration. What are some benefits of using Rexnord.com? Instant order status and 24/7 order tracking. Price and delivery at your fingertips. Immediate order placement. Visibility to CAD drawings. Technical product specifications. Visibility to full order history. Visibility to quote history. Product configuration models that allow you to design, quote, and order what you need. Quote to order conversion capability on most items. Order and quote documents. And case status monitoring. All of these will be covered in the other courses. To kick things off, I will be showing you how to register for a Rexnord.com account. First, navigate to Rexnord.com. Click Sign In and Register on the top right. Under the Register on the right-hand side, fill out the information required. First name, last name, email, and company name. Select whether you would like to receive Rexnord communications. Read the privacy policy and terms of use, then click the checkbox. Select You Are Not a Robot and then click Create. You will receive an email to activate your account within minutes. Once you receive your email, click the link and update your password. From the first page, you can either enroll yourself into an account if you are one of our customers via Request Account Access. This will take up to 2 business days to be approved, but once approved, you may begin using our e-commerce tools for quoting and ordering. If you are an end user, you will already have access to our selectors, configurators, and CAD drawings, so no further action is required. Once you have finished setting up your account, to log in, visit Rexnord.com, click Sign In and Register, enter your username and password on the left, and click Sign In.